This is Melinda. I'm just giving you a little bit of a tutorial into the new calendars that I've set up for PTOs, booster groups, fundraisers, etc., etc. I've set up a Google Calendar, and you can see that I have included all the booster groups here. Each one has a different color, and I have just sent you the links to get into these calendars so you can start plugging in some dates, and we'll see how this works. I've also taken the time to plug in the dates for next school year, and everything that's district level is going to be in this slate gray. So you're going to be able to see first day of school. I've also gone ahead and ghosted in the holidays that we have, the delayed starts, Christmas break, Thanksgiving break, spring break, all of those things. I've gone ahead and put those in so you can see where they fall and you can refer to those when you're plugging your stuff in. I think this is going to be a great tool for us for a lot of different reasons. Help us get on the same page like we've been discussing at District PTO, but also kind of helps me keep track of where I need to pop up and maybe take some pictures and stuff like that too. So I'm excited to see if we can make this successful. I'm sent links out to everybody with Gmail accounts. You should be able to jump right into this calendar. Those of you who don't have Gmail accounts will have to follow the steps to go ahead and take a look at these calendars. The link should have a way that you can get in and take a look at it. It may be you have to set up a Gmail account. I'm not sure. I haven't followed that link. I have Gmail, so I'm not able to really see what that looks like. If you have any trouble, please make sure you reach out to me. I wanted to go through a couple of quick tips on how to use this if you've never used Google Calendar. Those of you who are black belt ninjas won't have any problem here, but I wanted to show you a couple of ways. Let's go back to August, that you can view things. First of all, just looking at things, you can look at the full month, you can look at a week, and you can navigate through the weeks with these little buttons up here. I'm looking at the first week of August. Here's our first week leading up to school, and you can kind of see how things are kind of blocked off. It kind of helps visually determine what is available and what isn't. And you can also do specific days. So there's a lot of cool tools here in Google Calendar. I live and die by my calendar, so it's a cool way to stay organized. To put something in for your organization, let's say we've got the high school, I'll say Mainville has something going on August 19th. The way you can quickly add a calendar item is just to double click on the day, add your item. Let's say PTO fundraiser. It will automatically say it's going to be an all-day event. If it's not all day, uncheck that. And then you can put in the times. So let's say it's from 4 to 6, 4 p. You can hit the tab to jump over to that next one, 6 p, tab, all that stuff. You can also add a location. I don't know if Mainville's in there or not. Let's see. But usually if you start typing, yeah, so it pops up. You can just click that and then make sure that you use your color. If you don't remember your color, you can jump over here to this drop down and it will show you your color. Jump on and then hit save. And you can see that it shows up with your corresponding color. And if I were on the day of the week, go to the 19th. It'll show me in deeper detail. So that's just a quick tutorial on how to use this. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. This is a kind of a new thing that we're going to try. It may work, it may not work, but let's just see if we can refine it and give it a whirl. And thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it.